Ready for a makeover, Tony? Start by applying eyeshadow around your eyes. Make sure you blend it out. Now take parchment paper and add hot glue drops. Apply concealer and blend. Now add yellow eyeshadow to make them look like blisters. Take the drops and apply with eyelash glue. Apply it in batches around your face. Then add red eyeshadow around the blisters to make it look more realistic. Take black eyeshadow and draw veins coming from the blisters. Put non-toxic glue onto a sponge and apply around the mouth. Put a tissue on top. Add more glue on top and another layer of tissue. Add glue around the nose. Then apply a small strip of tissue over the nose area. Use a blow dryer to make the drying process faster. Put on foundation. Then poke a hole and split it to make it look like the skin is peeling. Take black face paint and apply it to the mouth area in the tissue. Paint the insides of the tissue red. Add blood for a spooky effect. Now apply liquid blood to cover the edges of the tissue. Apply around the blisters. He looks like he's straight out of an apocalypse. Hey Stacy, are you ready? Start by adding fake eyelashes. Cover the hands with coconut oil to prevent the wax from sticking. Apply scar wax to split the face in half. Cover the wax with powder and foundation to match the shade of the skin. Paint half of the face white. Then, color the eyes black and use eyeshadow to blend. Then, use the eyeshadow to draw a jawline. Switch to black paint and draw up the teeth. Make the teeth brighter by coloring them white. Blend out the edges. Apply red eyeshadow onto the wax and use a pencil to make a slit down the middle. Add red eyeshadow in the cut, then the scab blood for a scarier effect. Dab on some liquid blood onto the cut. A Grim Reaper? You look out of this world! Say hi to Max! Are you ready? First, apply white face paint all over your face. Then, use blue eyeshadow and draw triangles over and under the eyes. Blend with a darker blue. Use black for the nose, then blend with red. Add the wrinkles, then contour. Don't forget the coconut oil and apply onto the hands. Put the scar wax on to extend the mouth. Blend out the wax. Apply face powder and paint white. Use red eyeshadow and color. With a pencil, make a slit in the wax. Color the slit with red face paint and add scab blood. Paint the lips and add a bit of fake blood. What a creepy smile! Hi Amy, get ready! First, paint your eye bags white. Then apply eyeliner and outline the edges. Add false eyelashes. Use eyeliner to draw fake bottom lashes. Be generous with the blush and apply it all over your cheeks. And don't forget the freckles. Draw lips using paint. Use black face paint to draw a big hole. Now draw cracks coming from the hole. Don't be afraid to be creative and draw cracks all over the face. Apply white paint for more dimension. With parchment paper, create teardrops with red hot glue. Use eyelash glue to put it on. Finally, add fake blood. Amy, you don't even look human anymore. Hi Lily, let's start this makeover with face paint. Color the upper portion of the face blue. Then cover the upper forehead with purple. And draw lines coming from the forehead. With the wig cap, apply eyeshadow for the scales. Now draw the jaw. Color it black. Time for the sharp teeth. Use white face paint to draw the teeth and use black paint to separate them. Don't forget the lower mouth. Outline the jaw with blue. Apply eyelash glue to black gems and add them to the forehead. Add more scales. Ready for Lily's look? Lily looks like she belongs in the ocean.